Welcome to Finsbury Park.
Now approaching platform number 2 at Finsbury Park will be your 10:10 Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange. This train is terminating here. Some read Ellen Yard starting at St Neots. But because of Grand Central are idiots, they're sending their trains into Finsbury Park. This is 1 Delta.
Platform 2 of the 06:55 service from this train will terminate here.
This is 1 Alpha 59. We got 180, 101. One 101 from Bradford Interchange, heading out to down the line to come back to go back out to Bradford Interchange. Now departing is the 1040 1 Tango 20 Great Northern service to Ely, 700,058, advertising as Thameslink. Not every day you get 700 off to Ely. 700,058 off to Ely via Cambridge. Now departing platform number 2 at Finsbury Park will be your slightly delayed 10:15 5 Delta 81 Grand Central service from Finsbury Park to Finsbury Park, 180, 101. Away from the driver. That's off down there to come back to reverse to go back to Bradford Interchange. That delay on that has also made the Thameslink delayed. I bet people thought that was off to Brighton. That wouldn't be very comfortable, and it would probably take ages by the time that gets to Gatwick because it has failed. If they're behind 387105, it's your 66767 off to Bellisle. Oh, looks like it's going to be named. This is for your... Right. This is for your 1041 6 Gold 20 Donks Road decoy to Bellisle. Platform 7 for the 1037 to Hort. 1041 to Cambridge, 700 141. 700 to Cambridge. Now approaching this is 10:39, Grand Central Service to Bradford Interchange, 1 Delta 71.
Stand well clear the platform edge behind the yellow line on platform number 8. The Bradford Interchange Service first stop Doncaster. Great Northern and Kensington customers, please do not board the train. First stop Doncaster.
(180-101) off the Bradford Interchange after it's picked up its passengers. Now approaching platform number 2 at Finsbury Park in a minute after this one departs. 700-102 on the 11th foot. No. 11:41, 9 Sierra 20, 10 Surf from Brighton to Cambridge. Now approaching is your 11:43, 1 Alpha 61 Grand Central service from Sunderland.
Platform 2 for the 07:53 service from this train will terminate here.
Really? I thought it was. Okay, we got 180, 105, the Yorkshire artist Ashley Jackson. (180-105), the Yorkshire artist Ashley Jackson from Sunderland. Still good, it's got a lovely King's Cross display. Change here? What services to London in King's Cross? In fact, you can't get any services to London King's Cross, it's shot. Change here for services to Pancras for King's Cross. (387-119) off to King's Lynn via Cambridge. (387-119 to 387-125 of the King's Lynn via Cambridge. (387-119 and 125 off the King's Lynn via Cambridge. Now coming into platform 4 at Finsbury Park will be your (11:48) to Charlie 25 Thameslink service from Cambridge, operating as a Great Northern 387. Got 387-103. After thank you NHS. 387103 to 387117 off to thank you NHS. One 105 on 5 November 81. Grand Central Service to Finsbury Park. 105. The Ashley Jackson Yorkshire Artist. Hang on. The Yorkshire Artist Ashley Jackson. 105 off the Finsbury Park Pardon Loop turnaround. Into platform 5 is 700 153. For some reason they're sending all of these into 5 instead of 7. Oh, well, use this all platforms then. Oh, all lines have been in use today as usual. Although they weren't. These went to Seine 4, Great Northern's 1 and 8, Thames Link 7 and 1. Sorry, Thames Link 2 and 8. Now approaching platform number 8 at Finsbury Park. It's your 1219 arrived from Finsbury Park. 180 105. $180 105 to Sunderland. Okay, now departing is your if I can find RTT. Your 4 Echo 25 DB Cargo UK service from Bow Depot to Heck Plasma, a slightly delayed 12:05 run. That's off to Bow Depot. 387 104. This is 1 Tango. This is 2 Romeo 27 from Royston. 387 104 to 387 113 from Royston. Now departing is your 1150 2 Victor 63 to Welwyn Garden City. 717018. $717,018 with a tone from a trainee driver with a normal driver to Welwyn Garden City via Ali Pally and Hadleywood and Potter's Bar. Now departing is the 1224 10th Link service to Stevenage. 717001 NHS We Thank You unit. This is 2 Foxtrot 64 to Stevenage via Hertford North. Was 717011, which is the NHS Great Northern unit to Stevenage via Hertford North. 1238 to Sunderland, 180 105. This is for your 1238 1 FM 93 Grand Centre Sunderland. 180 105 D. Yorkshire artist Ashley Jackson to Sunderland via York and Eaglescliff.